right, so this next game is called Yours, Mine, and Ours, and this is a fun game to play with 2 people. So as you can see here, I've got my little erasers here. I've got 10 markers for my partner and 10 markers for myself. I'm going to be player 1 over here, which means anytime I roll a 1 or a 2, I get a marker placed over here. My partner is going to be rolling also, and if we roll a 5 or a 6, she's going to get a marker on hers, and anytime we roll a 3 or a 4, we're going to put them in the middle, okay? So we're each going to take 5 turns, and we'll see what happens. So I'm going to go first, and I rolled a 5. So my marker is going to go over here because that's what, that's her play. So now it's her turn to roll, and she rolled a 3. That's an ours, so we're going to put that one in the middle. My turn again. I have a 6. I seem to like hers a lot more than anything else. Oops. Sorry. You want to roll again? I'm trying to hit the table. A 4. So this is turning out to be very predictable. I wonder if I'm going to get something this time. A 5. So I rolled for her as well. Okay, so now she's going to do her third roll. And she rolled a 3. Wow, what are the odds statistically if that would happen? All right, let's see. This is my 4th roll. A 6! Another one over here for my partner. Now it's her turn for her 4th roll. And she rolled a 4. Again in the middle. Very cool. All right, this is my last roll. Let's see if I can actually get one on my... A 6. Okay. All right, help me out here, partner. See if you can roll something on the table would be so God. So why don't you try it one more time? Here you go.
Yeah, sorry.
Stay on there. Yay! I got 1! Okay, so for mine, I have 1. For yours, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And ours, we have 4. Right? So if I'm thinking about an addition problem, 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 10.